gonna open up a box of shipment from today. Not sure what these are. To me, this is the prettiest 100-ounce silver bar, and you can see here on the serial number it's 2022. So these are brand new from the mint this year. On the bottom here we got 200-ounce PAMP Swiss 100-ounce bars. Very pretty. We got some gold. Sought after PAMP 1-ounce gold bars. These are very popular gold bar. As you see here, you got 4 nines, 999.9, and a serial number as well. It also comes with a certificate number. So very pretty gold bars. And then we go down here, we have the 1-ounce platinum. Platinum has become also a popular precious metal as of late, not just gold and silver. So we have the 1-ounce bars, and we also have the 1-ounce platinum coins from the Royal Canadian Mint. Very pretty platinum coin. In addition here we have the 1-ounce gold maples. Again, 4 nines. All of the gold that we sell in store are 99.99% pure.